guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
What are we doing today?
We're gonna do pancake.
Okay, so first, what do we need to do?
Put the butter there, but there's a pancake already.
Okay, show them how it goes, okay?
Okay. Let's put the butter in the pan now.
Sure.
Spread the butter.
Spread.
Spread. Put the pancake mix. And then we turn it. I'm not too strong, guys. Oh my god.
Almost. Just on that side. 2 hands. Yeah, almost. Good job. Yeah, you did it. Let's wait until it's done.
Yeah, let's wait until it's done. This is how you flip the pancake. Oopsies. Waiting time again. Later on, we're gonna spread it with this yummy Nutella. Then the pancake is done. We have to put the Nutella in. It was too good.
Is Nutella your favorite?
Yeah. The Nutella's great.
Yes, it is. What do you do after spreading the Nutella on the pancake? Again.
You roll it, and then it's done. Now, time to eat it. Cheers.
Good?
Yummy. Subscribe more videos from me.
Hi everyone.
Bye everyone. Smile, always be happy.